Okay everybody, I'm Lex and today we're about to cook some gumbo. So I'm wearing a hat in the house because my hair looks terrible and I just still don't want y'all to see me look bad on camera. But I hope I'm talking loud enough. But I'm gonna cook some gumbo. And if you are like in college and you want a home cooked meal, or you just want a home cooked meal anytime, this is something good to cook. And I'm not necessarily gonna call it a tutorial because I'm not a chef, and I don't know if people like their food like I like my food, but I used to live in Louisiana, and when I did, I used to just love their food. I thought their food was like so good. So I'm gonna start cooking gumbo, and I guess I'll just talk to you guys a little bit as I cook. So one thing you're really gonna need is a cutting board. Of course you're gonna need a knife. Preferably when they cut. I have some Gumbo Base. Here it is. It's Louisiana fish fry Gumbo Base. I've actually never used it before to make gumbo, but worth a try. So it actually says in a 4-quart pot, combine 2 quarts of cold water or chicken stock in Gumbo Base. So what I'm gonna do is, dang, my shrimp came out the bag and I had no clue. Okay, I'm gonna get a big pot to cook it in. 8 cups it is. 8 cups of cold water. I have at least 2 cups worth. So we'll see. It's about 2 cups. I do like this much. I'm just gonna fill the rest to the 2 cups with water. Okay. Pouring that in. Put the top on it and sit it on a large eye, and I'm going to turn it on. So I have some chicken, thawed out shrimp, and sausage, and I'm also going to add bell peppers and onions. I cut the vegetables first because I like my vegetables to be soft. I hate crunchy vegetables. So I'm going to get the huge skillet. That's it. Olive oil. I haven't turned on yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put my olive oil in there. Keep it here on the side. So I need to cut my vegetables. I'm probably just gonna do green bell pepper, onion. If you want like more color, or I think bell peppers all taste the same to me, but of course the yellow ones taste different. But you can of course add the red one if you want. Okay. So here I'm gonna cut the vegetables. I've peeled them. Well, peeled the onion. I'm gonna cut the onion. I really don't know how to cut onions. I don't know how to cut anything, but I just cut them. I mean, it's not rocket science. So I just sliced it. This is almost boiling. I actually needed to add some salt to it to make it boil faster. Okay, then we're gonna turn this iron one that has the olive oil in it. Add just a little more. I'm gonna turn it on medium, a little above medium. I'm gonna vegetables to it. Rinse it off. Okay, I need chicken. I'm gonna use 2 chicken breasts. Rinse them off. I feel like this is normal, like self-explanatory. Maybe just slice it first. Not to cut it all the way through. Add the chicken. Okay, so I added the gumbo base to the pot of boiling water. I turned it down a little bit. I used to measure, but I don't really anymore. I've started to just been able to get the hang of it. 1 teaspoon, tablespoon, the normal. So I'm just gonna shake it around. See, that's enough. Cooking is all about learning. Like, you learn as you do it. Like, I do follow recipes, but some stuff I'm just better at than just, you know, you don't really have to follow the recipe when it comes to gumbo. Like, that's something you can just play with and just do it to your taste. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this meat in here. I'm gonna mix it one more time because there's still some clumps of base in here. Turn it back up to the medium. I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat and the vegetables. And it's on medium right now. I'm actually gonna move it to this side. And this time I'm actually gonna clean. I always try to put my leftovers in a plastic bag to keep them fresh. I actually have some rice that I already made that I'm gonna add to it. Now I'm gonna prepare the shrimp. I've already rinsed it off. Accidentally. Fell out the bag anyways. I'm gonna add a little olive oil to it. Not much. That's good. Just soak it in. I'm gonna add some Gumbo Base seasoning. Just sprinkle into it. Beautiful. Looks like heaven to me. Add it to the pot. As it boils again, just gonna wash these dishes. I guess while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and make my detox order for tomorrow. So I could just show you guys how I make it and what I'm gonna make. Make you want to be healthy. Like, it makes me want to be a better me. It makes me just want to live for myself. I'm gonna have to show you this. It was so good at first I couldn't stop drinking it, but now I just noticed that the lid, I was wondering why I wasn't popping open, but it actually has a lock. Kind kind of like a lock to hold it down. So you do this, and even though it doesn't open, and it opens. I don't know why, but it tastes so good to me. Like, it tastes like juice. Like, it tastes like water. It looks delicious. It's definitely done. I could have cooked my shrimp a little less longer to keep them big, but I probably overcooked them just a little because last time I made them perfect and like the shrimp was melting in my mouth. I know I overcooked them just a tad. I mean, they're cooked. They're really not overcooked, but the last time I made them, they were melting in my mouth. Can you see the steam coming off this food? Like, I think it's perfect. It doesn't need any other seasoning. Let me taste some chicken. I'm telling y'all, I see it's delicious. It's magically delicious. Let us burn up. I love how it tastes. It's so refreshing. Like, it's so good. Well, thank you guys for coming along, cooking with me. I have so much left. I can save it for the week. I can eat on it all week. Gumbo is something I can eat like every single day. Like, I don't know if I'm the only person who's addicted to Louisiana food, but I'm addicted to it. It's the only thing I can eat forever and ever and ever. So definitely gonna be eating this and drinking on this great detox water to detox all the salt and bad things I just put in my body. It was fun cooking with everybody. Thank you guys for cooking with me. I hope you guys try it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you think it's disgusting. I don't care. Constructive criticism, all criticism, I take it. It was nice cooking with you all. Thank you guys for joining me. See you later.